Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make animated GIF in Canva. The first thing you want to do once you have signed up to Canva, you are going to tap on the search bar, and by the way it is completely free to sign up, and you are going to type in Gifs, then you are going to tap on enter. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page, and on this page you will see numerous GIF templates that you can choose from. So let's scroll down and you can look on the numerous GIF templates. So for example, if you would like to use this one, as you can see right there, or you can hover over this one and you can see how it looks. You can see that there are numerous GIF templates you can choose from. So once you see one of your liking, you can see right here, all you'll have to do is tap on the particular one that you want. And by the way, any one of the GIFs that you see with a pro beside it, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular GIF. But there are numerous free options that you can use, as you can see right there. So let's say, for example, I want to use this one. All you'll have to do is tap on it. Then you're going to tap on customize this. After you have selected customize this template, you'll be redirected to this page on which you'll see your GIF right here that you can start editing. So let's say, for example, you would like to change the text. You can do that. All you have to do is tap on the text section, as you can see right here. Then from here, you can edit the text. So let's say, for example, I want to clear the text. You can remove the text right there. Then you'll go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on text. After you have selected text, for example, I will tap on add a heading. Then I'll drag it up. And let's say I want to put happy Thursdays. So I will highlight right here. Then I'm going to write Thursday. And to get it moving just like a regular GIF, all you have to do is highlight the entire text. Then you're going to tap on effects in the top right hand corner. After selecting effects, you can scroll down and you can select any one of these options. So for example, if I were to select splice, you can see how it looks. I can also select outline and you can scroll down, and if you would like it to look like a glitch, you can select glitch, as you can see right there. You can also select neon. You can add any one of these effects. Once you are finished adding the effect, what I want you to do next is tap on animate. And after selecting animate, you will see the different options. So let's say, for example, you want it to fade in. You can see right there. And if you want it to drift, you could select drift. And also if you want to give it a breathe option, as you can see right there, or wipe, you can do that. You can select any one of these options and you can scroll down and you can see the different options. This gives it a typewriter effect. I'll select the typewriter effect. And also if you would like to change this particular GIF right here, you can also do that by simply tapping on it. After selecting it, you will see the animate option right here. So let's say, for example, you want it to wipe, you want it to breathe, you can do that. And also if you would like to delete it overall and add another image, you can do that. All you'll have to do is delete it, tap on the trash can. After you have selected the trash can, you are going to go over to the left hand menu option. And from here, you are going to select elements. And let's say, for example, I want to add a boy, angry boy. You could tap on that. Then from here, I can select this particular graphic. And let me place it right there. And also you can edit it. You can cut down on the size. So let me cut down on the size real quick, as you can see right there. After you have added it, you are going to ensure that you have selected the graphic that you have chosen. Then you are going to tap on animate again. And after selecting animate, you can see right there, you can see the different options. So if I want it to wipe, you can see breathe, you can see right there. And this is how to turn any photo or so on into a GIF, as you can see right there. Stump. So you can select any one of these options. You can also select photo zoom, photo rise, and photo flow. I like this particular one, so I'll select this particular one, as you can see right there. And once it is finished, you can also search for other elements by going over to the top left hand option, and you could add another element. For example, let's say I want to add a rainbow. I could type in rainbow, then select rainbow. After you have selected the rainbow, you can drag and place it. Again, I can place it right here. After selecting the rainbow, again you are going to tap on animate, and then you can select how you would like it to move, as you can see right there. And I'll select rise. Then you'll see both on enter. I'll select both. After you have done that, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner, and from here you can see the seconds. So let's say overall you want to change it from 5 seconds. So as you can see right here, this is set at 5 seconds. You can change it. You can see right there how it will look. Now let's say I want to change that. All I have to do now is right where you see the time, I'm going to tap on that. And after tapping on the time, from here you can tap on pause. Now let's say I want to change the time. All you have to do is ensure that you have selected the entire canvas, as you can see right there. Then you are going to tap on the clock option right beside animate, and you will see editing time. And let's say you want to change it so the GIF goes down to 2 seconds. Okay, once you're finished creating your animated GIF, to save it, all you have to do is go up to the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap on share. Then you're going to scroll down, and right where you see download, you're going to tap on that. Then where you see MP4 video on my screen, you're going to tap on that, and you're going to select GIF. After selecting GIF, you're going to tap on download, and you can see that it is being downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, I'll show you how the final product looks. And by the way, with Canva, you'll be able to create beautiful GIFs quite easily, as you can see right here. And I could have also changed the background if I want. So let me show you how I could change the background. So let's say you want to change the background color. All you'll have to do is tap on the entire canvas. After you have selected the canvas, you will see a color scheme right here, a color box. You could tap on that. And let's say I wanted to change the background color to, for example, this color. You can see it right there. You can choose the color that you want. And if you don't see the color, you can tap on add new color. And from here, you can search for the particular color that you want, as you can see right there. So if I wanted it in blue, you can see how it will look right there. And also, if you would like to add an image to your background, all you have to do is tap on uploads from the left hand menu option, and from here you'll be able to upload an image. Or you can choose one of Canva's preloaded images by simply scrolling down and selecting background, and here you will see numerous backgrounds that you can use, as you can see right here. Once you have found one that you like, all you have to do is tap on it, and it will automatically change the background, as you can see right there. And that's it. Now if I were to tap on the previous one that I had created, all I would have to do is tap on it, then tap on play, so I can preview it so that you can see how it looks. And you can see it right there. That is it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.